What's up YouTube? Today we're making Instant Pot pasta. Make sure to subscribe for more food content. This is basically the Instant Pot version of the popular baked feta pasta. Flavors will be slightly different, but the final product is still creamy and delicious. If you can find feta, use feta, but you can also use a variety of other cheeses. I'm using goat cheese today. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of oil to your Instant Pot. Next, add a single layer of cherry tomatoes into the pot. Add in your uncooked pasta and just enough water to submerge the pasta. Add in your seasoning, the remaining cherry tomatoes, and finally place your block of cheese in the center. Pressure cook for 5 minutes with quick release, and after the venting is done, open the lid and your pasta is almost done. If there's too much excess water, just pour it out, and you can also add some shredded cheese to thicken up the sauce. Mix in some chopped fresh basil and the pasta is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.